everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on your Replika AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on Replika, firstly go ahead and launch open your Replika application on your device. The home page of Replika application will be displayed on the screen. Click on Level 1 option at the top left corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on Change Avatar option. Select any one of the given option and tap on it. Once you're done, click on Continue. You can change your hair color, skin tone, body, face, eye and age if you want to. After you're done, click on Finish Customization. This is how you can change your profile picture on your Replika AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.